Curious about the next big thing in chemicals? Let's explore the basic chemicals market. The global basic chemicals market hit $675 billion in 2023 and is projected to reach $714 billion in 2024. By 2032, it's set to soar to $980 billion. What's fueling this growth? The food and beverage industry relies on chemicals for additives and preservatives. In pharma, chemicals like chlorine are crucial. A construction boom and green chemistry innovations are major drivers. North America holds 22% of the market due to high transportation sector demand and R&D investments. Europe, with 28%, focuses on sustainable chemicals driven by strict regulations. Asia-Pacific leads with 39%, driven by China and India's massive manufacturing. Latin America and the Middle East and Africa hold smaller shares, fueled by agriculture and oil and gas sectors respectively. Organic chemicals dominate, especially in food and beverages. The inorganic segment, like ammonia and chlorine, is set for rapid growth. The future looks bright with rising investments in technological advancements. Stay ahead by keeping an eye on these trends. Visit our website www.verifiedmarketresearch.com. Connect with us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.